You're tired? Pagod ng bata.
Screening?
Pagod ng bata. Gano'n ka na ka? Gano'n ka? Beggar doon.
I'm just playing Roblox.
It's already 1 a.m. here. You can sleep. Walang mahal.
I just can't. You're recording. I see on TV.
No, it's not recording.
Mami, ready na na ulit yung phone mo. Ayan na.
Mata.
Ayan sila na. May human drone.
Everybody's
Human. Ayun.
Yung isang bata.
Here.
Ay, 7.5. 8 ako sila. 6. Atit ka, no? Oh, this is po. At itawag niya itang hot.
We're at the tent. It's so big.
Hi, vlog. Hi, guys.
Tulog na.
Saan ko nilalagay yung sakyan na?
Nainig dito mo.
You like it? It's so cold.
Yes, I help you. Ouch, my dress! I'm so sorry. We understand you cannot Daddy, a new model.
New model.
Come here.
Chicken banana. Chicken banana. Chicken banana. Galing ah.
Sa inside. Pasok sa inside. Pasok. Saan si Pink? Saan si Pink? Okay. Saan mo, Jasmine?
Both of us forgot how to play badminton, so please don't laugh at us. Okay.
It's okay.
Show this. I think you'll be like Sorry. You did it. All right. We should do this. Again. Mami, huwag sana kill the kill
Mamaya na lang. Share na lang kayo.
Yummy? Yummy? Tamis na.
Matamis. Okay na.
Matabi-tabi po.
Sobrang naman yan, ha? Ano naman, tawang. Higay lang, ha?
Mga celebrity.
Dalawa.
Sige na, okay na to.
Our Father and Father, holy your name,
Thank you po. Bless the food, Jesus.
Okay, kain na, Bing! Please!
Let's fight! Ano nanguna na sila dalawa. Ang cute.
Sige, laban, sige.
Laban, laban. Ubusin yung kabilang side, ha?
You want hipon? No.
What? Doon ka naman.
You like it? Hmm? Serious. Serious. Behind the scenes.
Ayaw, titi yan.
Bakit? Sungke, gano'n. Tataas ka kayo pag gano'n, ha?
Jump! Bye!
Smile! Charot!
Ito, badminton, no?
Daddy, no.
Eh, basa dyan na.
That's your yellow daddy.
Tulog ang bata. Pagod pa. Sa mata, fish. So, doon niya pinili.
Hotdog.
Tingin ko kasi gusto niya.
Oo nga eh. Boneless na ba ito? Adan. Anya rin din. Cucumber.
You want this one?
Sama.
Ha?
Ayaw daw. Yung fish gusto niya. Kaya lagay bacon sa kanya.
Wala naman tayo picture together.
Ayaw nga
Oo
pala.
nga no.
Diba, papicture tayo sa ate.
Lagi nakakalimutan. Kiss mo, Dad. Asi.
Ano kaya tinira ng dalawa eh?
Why are you standing in the tablet?
Dati takot ikaw ah. Ngayon di na.
Ay, Kisha. Come on, guys. Ganda. Yee! You want there?
Yeah, look.
Dali! Sige, go! Salay mo siya. Asa may zipper mo? Sige, go.
It's on! The car's on!
Sige, jump with Daddy. Ah, sige, go. Asa may zipper mo? Daddy, hawakan mo. Sige, go. Hi kayo, wave kayo, naka-wave.
doon? Doon na lang?
Doon maganda.
Doon kasi nagpipito tayo. Doon mo na sa kanya. Up mo.
May stairs dyan.
Meron.
Hindi bubuyo. Laki. Patay na.
Ano gano'n?
Diyan ka na. Diyan na na. Kay mami. Tayong dalawa. Kami dalawa.
Ate Suping,
Video yan, video ah.
I'm actually using my hand.
Alis naman pala.
Daya pa rin. Okay siya. Let's eat.
Last one,
Pinuntahan ka na lahat daw nila eh. Kaya yun eh. Ano pa na ako doon? Hindi ko alam.
Paano yung pagka ano? Automatic na ito mag-share sa Facebook.
Oh, bye-bye, Arayat. Oh, bye-bye, Arayat. We're going home. See you soon. Ha? The dog? Sabi niya, oh, wala niya magbigay ng food sa akin. Sabi niya, go.
Bukas na yung gate.
Bilis. Hi guys.
Pati lang, walang ano? Walang pamper
But Marky siya order siya.
Doon na
I need my water bottle.
Ay, naku na siya pa.
Daddy, I need my water bottle because it has soda.
Kailangan may naiiwan.
Sa car ni Tito yun. Naman yung kailangan na eat.
Ano? Lisa.
Ano siya? Natatanggal.
Alin?
Yan. Ay. Ah, siya di magnet?
Kanina.
Parang siya naman magnet.
It's powder.
Luto ka, luto.
Yeah, you know how to.
Luto. sabay nga ito dyan.
Ano yan?
Adi water bottle.
Baby, yan yung kayanan. Ah.
Orderan tayo ng water. Wait tara na. Baka maano ka, bulong na. Eat slowly lang. Baka mature ka na. Eat slowly. Kaya na matapos.
Ano pag-edit sa kanya? Pangit.
Let's try.
Boss. That is self-service, diba?
Meron na si Ate Tiffin fries. Asing dad.
Para isang tubig sa atin.
Okay na. Huy. Wala kang
Meron na ba
baso.
shopping ng ano? Ng soft drink?
Oo.
Hindi niya pa rin pinapaya.
Umiinom pero bihira lang.
No beer, no coke.
Si Jess hindi pa na ano.
So I am in Pampanga and I got some Jollibee. I saw we saw on TikTok.
What will you say? Thank you.
Thank you, Tita and Vito. So let's open it. To open it, Mom, let's get to it.
Sige, it's okay lang. Kasi we're gonna leave the box na. It's bulky for travel. Hello. Nasira na namin. Sorry, Jollibee.
Who cares? This is the toy, guys.
I'm sorry for my daddy's food. The script. Wait lang.
Okay, I cannot open this.
Sige, silipit mo. What you call that? Show to them. You forget na how to vlog, ah. Show to them. This is a Jolly Kids Little Achievers, a Jolly Chef. Ito siya, guys.
It's
Yan.
instruction.
Ngayon lang kami ulit nakabili ng Jolly Toys. Kasi hindi na mahilig masyad si Marquisha. Tawa ko. Video net. Hilo na mga cousins mo. Hilo na sila.
I'm not a
Okay.
professional camera girl.
Scissor. Sira-sira na lang.
Okay. So guys, we have the toy order stickers. We have to stick the stickers. I saw some instructions. So the Jolly chicken will be here. Okay, give it back. So relaxing to me. It's like ikaw na lang, mommy. I did.
Okay. Show to them one by one what you got.
This is the first one. We have a little.
It's a griller.
Next we have this. I forgot what this is called.
Ito yung ladle or yung sandok
We
niya.
have a chicken that looks realistic.
Show to them. Don't show your face. Cover. Yan. Perfect. Vlogger.
Next we have some French fries.
French fries.
French fries for that.
Yeah. And then, a nugget.
What this called? This is not a nugget.
A
This
patty.
is a patty.
Oh.
That is
A raw.
not cooked.
Uncooked pa. So now, Marquisha, show you how to cook Jollibee.
First thing is put your lawas.
No, ew. Make sure your pan is hot, then add a little bit of oil. Oo, para kasi it's not good kaya pag pagsama-samaan.
Shit, well, when we're cooking it,
It's unhygienic and not healthy. Yun nga. And this is food. Charot.
then add the food.
Ew. Are you Indian? Charot.
Yeah.
Indian street food.
Next is some chicken.
Put some sound effect. Parang totoo nga, no? Pwede siyang chicken ng mga Barbie.
Walang Barbie dolls nito. Next.
Fries are sticking to each other.
They're kissing.
Show to them. And siya, Jolly Kitchen.
I kind of like this sign.
And the
There's
background
like
is
this
my
sign
kitchen food.
here. Here's my food. Alright, now we're done cooking. Now you can eat everything. Alright, that's all, guys.
And say goodnight. That's it, guys. Train.
I mean, bus.
Pagising lang po na. Uwi na ang train. Going back to Manila.
These reminders, and of course tomorrow,
Oh, so
don't
many
forget,
trees.
it's Wasakana for Wednesday.